Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you mermaid nails step by step guide. With this Atlantis inspired design, your nails will glisten just like the sea under the sun. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a teal nail polish. Number 2 step is lighting. Lightly apply a sheer gold nail polish over the teal nail polish. Step number 3, using a thin nail art brush and black nail polish. Start creating curved lines on your nails in a scale design. It's okay if they overlap. Step number 4, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your beautiful nail design is ready. There's something in changing about mermaids and something incredibly fun about mermaid nails art. Maybe it's their ethereal beauty or the mystery of what lies beneath the waves. These mermaid designs can add a little touch of magic to your manicure and help highlight your fun side with a unique look. Whether you want a simple design or something more elaborate, we have gone through thousands of different designs to bring you a range of different ideas for inspiration of styles to try for yourself. A little bit of a different design on each finger, but they tie together really well. If you look very closely, there's a subtle scale design on the ring finger here. Some simply fantastic details on these nails are very important to us. I don't know what I love more, the artwork or background colors. But your marinade nails are ready to go show off with your friends and family member. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye. Take care.